The Chesapeake Blue Crab, scientific name Callinectes sapidus, is a species of crab native to the western Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. It is particularly well known in the Chesapeake Bay, which is the largest estuary in the United States. The Chesapeake Blue Crab is not only an important ecological component of the Chesapeake Bay but also a significant commercial and recreational species. The Chesapeake Blue Crab has a distinctive appearance with its bright blue color, sharp claws, and a wide, rounded carapace. Mature males, known as jimmies, have bright blue claws and a narrow, triangular-shaped apron, which is the abdominal flap on the bottom side of the crab. Mature females, called sooks, have red-tipped claws and a broader, rounded apron. Chesapeake blue crabs are found in a variety of habitats, including estuaries, brackish coastal waters, and freshwater rivers. They are often associated with submerged aquatic vegetation, as these areas provide both shelter and food. Chesapeake blue crabs support a significant commercial fishery, with the harvest mainly occurring from spring to fall. They are a popular seafood item, enjoyed for their sweet and tender meat. Recreational crabbing is also a common activity, with individuals using crab pots, hand lines, or dip nets to catch crabs. The population of Chesapeake blue crabs can be influenced by environmental factors, habitat loss, and fishing pressure. Management and conservation efforts are in place to maintain sustainable harvest levels and protect the overall health of the crab population. While commonly known for their vibrant blue color, Chesapeake blue crabs can also exhibit shades of green and brown. The coloration can vary based on factors such as age, sex, and environmental conditions. Blue crabs have specially adapted hind appendages known as swimmerets that help them swim. Despite being primarily bottom dwellers, they are capable of moving through the water with surprising agility. Crabs grow by molting, a process where they shed their hard exoskeleton to accommodate their increasing size. After molting, the crab is soft and vulnerable until its new exoskeleton hardens. This process is crucial for growth and reproduction. Chesapeake blue crabs are opportunistic feeders with an omnivorous diet. They consume a variety of foods, including plankton, small fish, algae, and detritus. They are also known to scavenge on dead animals. Blue crabs exhibit seasonal migrations, moving between different salinity zones within estuarine environments. Female crabs, in particular, migrate to lower salinity areas to release their eggs. They are known for their cannibalistic behaviors, especially towards smaller crabs. Larger individuals may prey on smaller ones during periods of molting vulnerability. If a blue crab loses a claw or a leg, it has the ability to regenerate the lost limb during subsequent molts. This adaptation helps them recover from injuries and defend themselves against predators. The Chesapeake blue crab contributes significantly to the economy through commercial fishing and the tourism industry, attracting people interested in recreational crabbing. Blue crabs support a substantial commercial fishery, contributing significantly to the economy of regions where they are harvested. The industry provides jobs and income for fishermen, seafood processors, and related businesses. Chesapeake blue crabs are highly prized for their sweet and tender meat. They are a popular culinary delicacy and contribute to the rich seafood culture of the Chesapeake Bay region. Blue crab dishes, such as crab cakes and steamed crabs, are enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. Blue crabs are a popular target for recreational crabbers. Many people engage in crabbing as a leisure activity, using crab pots, hand lines, or dip nets to catch crabs. This not only provides recreational enjoyment but also fosters a connection to the natural environment. Blue crabs play a crucial role in the Chesapeake Bay ecosystem by helping to control populations of other species. They are omnivores and feed on a variety of organisms, including small fish, mollusks, and detritus. This feeding behavior can help maintain a balanced ecosystem. Efforts to sustainably manage blue crab fisheries contribute to the long-term health of crab populations. Measures such as size and catch limits, seasonal closures, and protection of female crabs with eggs help ensure that harvesting practices are environmentally responsible. The presence of Chesapeake blue crabs contributes to the cultural identity of the Chesapeake Bay region. Tourists are drawn to the area for its seafood offerings, including blue crabs, and the unique experience of crabbing. Blue crabs serve as subjects for scientific research, providing insights into various aspects of marine biology, ecology, and environmental health. Studying blue crabs can contribute to a better understanding of estuarine ecosystems and the impacts of human activities. Blue crabs, along with other filter-feeding organisms in the Chesapeake Bay, contribute to the removal of excess nitrogen from the water. Excessive nitrogen can lead to issues such as algal blooms, and the activities of blue crabs help mitigate these environmental concerns. Reproduction begins with the courtship behavior of male blue crabs, known as jimmies. Male crabs attract females, or sooks, through a courtship dance. This dance involves the male tapping its claws on the shell of the female, producing a drumming sound. This drumming helps establish a connection between mating pairs. Once a connection is established, the male blue crab grasps the female's apron with its claws. The pair then copulates, with the male transferring sperm to the female. Mating typically occurs in the upper reaches of estuaries, where salinity levels are lower. The lifespan of a female blue crab may be influenced by its reproductive history. Females that successfully reproduce and release multiple batches of eggs contribute to the overall population, but the energy expended in the reproductive process may affect their own lifespan. After mating, the female carries the fertilized eggs in an egg mass attached to her abdomen. The egg mass resembles a sponge, earning females with eggs the nickname sponge crabs. The female protects the developing eggs and continues to engage in normal activities, such as feeding. Female blue crabs release their eggs into lower salinity waters, such as the mouth of the estuary or the ocean. This migration to lower salinity areas is thought to enhance the survival of the larvae. The release of eggs usually occurs in the late spring and early summer. The eggs hatch into tiny larvae known as zoea. The zoea drift in the open ocean for a few weeks, undergoing several molts and metamorphosing into megalopy. Megalopy then migrate back to estuarine environments. Megalopy settle in shallow, protected areas of estuaries, where they undergo metamorphosis into juvenile crabs. These juveniles resemble miniature adult crabs but are more vulnerable. They continue to grow and molt, gradually developing into mature blue crabs. Blue crabs undergo a series of molts throughout their life, shedding their hard exoskeleton to accommodate growth. The frequency of molting is higher in the earlier stages of life. After each molt, the crab's exoskeleton hardens over time. Factors such as water temperature, salinity, and habitat quality can influence the growth and development of blue crabs. Favorable conditions may contribute to faster growth and potentially longer lifespans. Blue crabs are vulnerable to predation at various life stages, especially during the molting process when they have a soft exoskeleton. Predators such as fish, birds, and larger crabs can impact the survival and lifespan of blue crabs. They are a commercially important seafood species, and they are actively harvested by commercial and recreational crabbers. Human harvesting practices can significantly impact the population structure and overall lifespan of blue crabs, especially if there are no effective management measures in place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.